Ready to ditch the realtor fees and take control of selling your home? First, head over to Zillow and create a listing. It's free. Click the List Your Home button, usually found at the top right of the page. Next, enter your property address. Zillow will likely pull up existing data, so confirm it's accurate. Now for the fun part, upload high-quality photos and videos. Showcase your home's best features. Bright, well-lit images are key. Don't forget to write a compelling description highlighting unique selling points like the neighborhood, recent renovations, or that amazing view. Now, let's move on to Redfin. While you can't directly list your home for sale by owner on Redfin like Zillow, you can still claim your property. Find your property on Redfin and claim it. This allows you to update information, add your own photos, and most importantly, monitor your home's value. Redfin uses agent-sourced data, so claimed listings provide more accurate information to potential buyers comparing properties. By leveraging both Zillow and Redfin, you're maximizing your home's exposure and streamlining the selling process. Good luck and happy selling.